Howdy do. How you doing? My name is Mickey Mumpkins. What's your name? Well, you gonna speak to me or what? Son of a gun. I'm right here. You ain't say much, do you? You're a good boy. What you doing over here in this window? Why's your face wet? You just have some water or something? He's a good boy. You my friend? You got a little water on your face there. What are you doing? Don't sniff that. No, don't you dare sniff that. Cat's a pervert, tell you that. Weirdo. See you. You son of a gun, why the hell are you still here? Alright, here's some more for you. See you. Who the hell are you? How you doing? My name is Mickey Mumpkins. Yep, that's my name. You wanna be my friend? Nice feller. You're a good boy.